All right, everybody, this is a good one. This is problem number 40 from chapter 6, arranging fractions onto a number line. First thing I really stress this is having graph paper is really nice. So you can make your tick marks nice and evenly spaced. Each of these can represent a specific interval. And then the other thing is to really plan out how many units long you want to make your number line. And the way I tell is I'll look at my fractions and I will say, well, do I have any negatives here? Do I need to go negative to positive? What should my endpoints be? I don't have any negatives, so I want to start. Let's get a pen. So I want to start at 0, and then I want to think: do I need to go past 1 whole? Do I need to go to 2? Less than 1, less than 1. This is 1 whole. Less. Okay, so it looks like we just need to go from 0 to 1. So right here is 16 sixteenths. I can put a dot there for 16 sixteenths. That is 1 whole. Now I go, the problem is I've got eighths, I have fourths, I have sixteenths. And once I saw that, I specifically made my number line 16 units long. Figured that is 16 sixteenths. Could be 1 whole. And I looked at all these denominators and said, oh man, I can make them all sixteenths. And how many sixteenths are in 1 whole? 16 of them. 1 16th, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sixteenths. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So let's start placing these. So 5/8 is the same thing as 10 sixteenths. So that would be right 8, 9, 10 sixteenths. I could even do the eighths. Actually, this will be kind of cool. I can do the sixteenths in black. The eighths, there's 8 of them, so this would be 1/8. This would be 2/8. This would be 3. Half is 4/8. This would be 5/8. This is 6/8. And this is 7/8. And then 16 is, this would be 8/8 right here. 1 whole would be 8/8. We could also do the fourths too. That'd be kind of cool, but it would get kind of messy there. 5/8 is right here, same thing as 10 sixteenths. 3 sixteenths. So we've got 1 16th, 2 sixteenths, 3 sixteenths. What about 3/8? 3/8 is right here, which is the same thing as 6 sixteenths. So 3/8, 3, 4, 5, 6 sixteenths as well. 6 sixteenths and 3/8 are the same thing. We've got this one. 1/4. 1/4. How many eighths is that? That's 2/8. Or that is 4 sixteenths. So 2/8 or 4 sixteenths, that's where 1/4 is. That's where 1/4 is. Let's see where 1/8 is. 1/8 is 2 sixteenths. And 1/8 is right here. 1/8. 3/4. So 3/4 is the same thing as 6/8 is equivalent. There are 6/8 in 3/4. Or this is equal to 12 sixteenths. So right here, this is 3/4. And then we've got 7/8. 7/8, which is the same thing as 14 sixteenths. So if you made them all into sixteenths or all into eighths, that's not a bad way to go about it. So this would be 7/8. Now when you're placing them on a number line, make sure you're placing the original fractions because that's what they actually gave us. So here we go. If you wanted to, you can get rid of the other ones that they didn't give us. But there you go.